we're extending the rear deck on the back of our Skoolie 4 feet. And in this episode, I'm gonna show you exactly how we did that. So make sure you stay tuned. Just to give a quick little rundown of what we got going on, we used 6-inch C-channel, which was bolted directly to the bus's stock C-channel. We did a little gap here with a 2x4, which made it really level and nice. Then we bolted it through, like I said, with grade 8 bolts. Make sure you use grade 8. Those are the strongest that you can get on the market, and those things are guaranteed not to go anywhere. It takes a tremendous amount of force for you to break through something like that. And then down here, what we did is we took 3 pieces of 1.5-inch square tubing, and that's what created the support beams for the decking to be attached to. And then we used grade 8 bolts all through the C-channel to attach these square tubing. So as you can see, I bought this pressure treated decking, and now I'm going to measure it out so it can go across these 3 support beams, and then I'm going to use wood to metal screws straight through this into the square tube. So I have most of the deck boards put in place where they're supposed to be, and now I'm going to attach them to the crossbars using these wood to metal screws. So all the boards are in place, the deck turned out awesome. Now it's time to give it its first coat of paint, and we're going to be painting it the tricorn black that is featured throughout the bus, and it's going to match the rooftop deck, which was featured in one of the earliest videos of this build. So that's going to wrap it up for this episode. The overall install wasn't as hard as we thought it was going to be. It's pretty straightforward. Just make sure you do your research on what will work and what won't work for you. As you can see, the boys love it. Definitely makes it a lot easier to get up to the rooftop deck. And it's just a cool place to hang out and use it as extra storage space if you need to while you're on the road. And as always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. You're not going to want to miss any parts of this build because we're hitting the final stretch, and hopefully we're going to meet our deadline by this summer so we can actually hit the road officially. See you on the next one.